Hi everyone, we're the Innovative Panthers Club from Cathedral High School.
As one of our senior projects, we decided to develop something really cool for you.
This is the Roar, an awesome Bluetooth speaker with our club name on it.
We know there are a lot of amazing Bluetooth speakers out there.
So what's unique about this one?
It's an amazing sound for about half the price.
And how do we know it's amazing?
We partnered with Tom DeVesto from Como Audio to design, develop, and prototype it.
We set out to design a speaker that would sound good, that would take audio from Bluetooth streaming or from a direct input from a computer or device. It's got built-in batteries and battery charge. We play it up to 8 hours without any recharging necessary. But most important, that would look nice and sound good and be something that the kids would like to listen to their music on.
So that's it. Join our Kickstarter and get this amazing speaker.
You'll love the way it sounds.
You'll love the way it sounds.
You'll love the way it sounds.
It would make a great gift.
Roar!
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 Is the whole school gonna see this?